Good morning, students. Today we have to learn about what is the atoms and the theory of atom. Okay? The British chemist John Dalton provided the basic theory about the nature of matter. Dalton picked up the idea divisibility of matter, which was till then just a philosophy. He took the name atoms as given by the Greeks and said that the smallest particle are atoms. Smallest particles of matter are the atoms. Okay? And his history was based on the laws of chemical combination. Okay? The last class we have learned that two laws, which were this law of conservation of mass and second one is a लॉ ऑफ कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शन. दो लॉज हमने पिछले क्लास में पढ़े थे. नाउ इन दिस क्लास वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट द डाल्टन्स theory of atom. Okay, the Dalton's atom theory provided an example explanation for the laws of conservation of mass and law of definite proportions. See here, John Dalton was born in a poor weaver's family in 1766 in England. Okay, he began his career as a teacher at the age of 12. Just at the age of 12 he began his career. Okay, and after 7 years he became a school principal. In 1793 Dalton left for Manchester to teach the mathematics, physics and chemistry in a college. Now he spent most of his life there teaching and researching. In 1808 he presented his atomic theory. So that's why this name for the atomic theory is a Dalton atomic theory. See, this is Dalton atomic theory. Okay, now what is exactly the theory is? See here, the Dalton's atomic theory. Matter is made up of teeny particles called the atom. Matter किससे बनता है? Teeny particles, and that are the atoms. Atoms are invisible and cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Atom जो है वो create भी नहीं हो सकते and destroy भी नहीं हो सकते in the chemical reaction. Atoms of the given element are similar in mass and proportions. After reaction we got a similar mass, okay, both of reactant and product. The mass is not changed, it has a definite mass. Atoms of different elements have different masses and proportions. Okay, atoms combine in a small whole number ratios to form a compound. When the compound is formed, if the compound is a H2O, so it is this present of the hydrogen and oxygen, it is in a particular ratio. So there are what kind of ratio it is? The 1:8. So in previous class we learned this. Atoms combine in a so in a given compound the relative number of and kind of atoms are constant. Atom जो है वो constant होते हैं. Now next, see, this is an atom is the smallest particle of an element. Atom क्या है? It is the smallest particle of an element. Okay, may or may not exist independently and retains its chemical properties. We know that matter is any object that has a mass and occupies some space. It is a matter. And how the matter is formed, how the matter is obtained? The number of teeny particles are present in matter. So that the teeny particles are nothing but the atoms. Okay, atoms are very small in size and smaller than anything we can imagine. Atom जो है बहुत ही small size के होते हैं and the size for atom is how we measure the size for atoms? It is measured in a nanometer. Nanometer, the unit for nanometer is a nm. Okay, it stands for nm. And see, 1 nanometer is a 10 to the power minus 9 meter. 1 nanometer क्या होता है? 10 to the power minus 9 meter होता है. एंड 1 मीटर क्या होता है 10 to the power 9 nanometer. See, this is important. This is important. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter and 1 meter कितना होता है 10 to the power 9 nanometer. Okay. So here is some examples are given, also some their radius are given in nanometer. Okay. So atom of hydrogen and it has a atomic radius is a 10 to the power minus 10. Molecule of water and it has a radius is a 10 to the power minus 9. Molecules of hemoglobin and it has a radius is a 10 to the power minus 8. Grain of sand, it has a radius is a 10 to the power minus 4. Ant has a radius is a 10 to the power minus 3. An apple, it has a radius 10 to the power minus 1. It is a examples are given in our book. Okay. Now see here the symbols of atom of different elements. So what is element? In last class मैंने आपको बताया था what is element. Element is a carbon, like a carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. These are elements. And what is compound? If the two or more elements are combined with each other, then the compound is formed. Okay. Now the symbols of atoms of the different element. The symbols of atoms of different element. See, this is the symbols of element are represented by letter. एलिमेंट के जो सिम्बल्स होते हैं वो किसी लेटर से रिप्रेजेंट होते हैं. द सिम्बल्स ऑफ सम एलिमेंट्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय वन लेटर ओनली. ओके. एंड द सिम्बल्स ऑफ सम एलिमेंट्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय टू लेटर. देयर इज टू टाइप्स ऑफ सिम्बल्स. सम एलिमेंट हैव ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ लेटर एंड द अदर एलिमेंट्स हैव टू लेटर्स. सिम्बल्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय टू लेटर. ओके. नाउ if the symbol has only one letter, it should be written as a capital letter. किसी एलिमेंट का सिंबल बस एक होगा तो इट शुड बी रिटन एज अ कैपिटल लेटर. एंड इफ द सिंबल हैज़ अ टू लेटर्स देन इट शुड बी रिटन एज अ फर्स्ट लेटर इज अ कैपिटल एंड सेकेंड इज अ स्मॉल. ओके. फर्स्ट लेटर इज अ कैपिटल लेटर एंड सेकेंड लेटर इज अ स्मॉल लेटर. नाउ हियर आर द लिस्ट ऑफ द सम एलिमेंट्स आर गिवन. वी जस्ट चेक इट आउट. Elements are here and here is the symbols. So first is the aluminium. Symbol for aluminium is a Al. Argon, symbol for argon is a Ar. First is the capital and second is a small letter. Okay. Barium, Ba. Boron, only one it is given, so it is a capital letter. Okay. Now bromine, Br. Likewise here is a list is given. Again here are the symbols and their elements. Nitrogen N, that is capital. Oxygen O. Potassium K. Silicon Si. First letter is the capital and next letter is a small letter. Silver Ag. So likewise here is a list is given. Now see here the atomic masses is given. What is this exactly? The atomic masses. What is means by atomic masses? Okay. एटम क्या होता है? साइज ऑफ एटम्स इज़ वेरी स्मॉल. ओके. वी नो दैट द एटमिक साइज इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल एंड डिटरमाइनिंग देयर मास इज़ अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. एटम के साइजेस बहुत ही स्मॉल होते हैं एंड उनका मास निकालना इज़ अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके. नाउ सो द मास ऑफ एन एटम इज़ कंपेयर्ड विद द मास ऑफ द स्टैंडर्ड एटम. हमें क्या करना है? मास ऑफ एटम को कंपेयर करना है विद द स्टैंडर्ड एटम एंड विच इज़ वन इज़ द स्टैंडर्ड एटम इज़ अ कार्बन. वी हैव टू कंपेयर the mass of the any atom with the carbon. That is the mass for carbon atom is a 12 AMU. AMU क्या होता है? AMU means atomic mass unit. AMU means atomic mass unit. So see here, one atomic mass unit is the 1/12 of the carbon atom. Carbon का atomic mass क्या होता है? 12 atomic mass. So we have to compare the any of the mass of any element or any atom with the carbon. So that's why here it is. The definition होती है the mass of element is a definition for mass of element is here. The average mass of one atom of the element compared with 1/12 of the मास ऑफ द कार्बन एटम. ओके, हमें क्या करना है, कंपैरिजन करना है एनी एटम का मास विद द कार्बन एटम से. ओके, दिस इज द एग्जैक्टली द डेफिनेशन फॉर मास ऑफ द एलिमेंट. सो हियर इज अ लिस्ट गिवन, एलिमेंट्स आर गिवन एंड देयर एटॉमिक मासेस आर गिवन. सो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट वी हैव हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक मास क्या है, 1 AMU. The carbon, it has an atomic mass 12 AMU. Nitrogen, it has an atomic mass 14 AMU. Oxygen, it has an atomic mass 16 AMU. Okay, लास्ट क्लास में हमने रेशो निकाला था 1:8. So that's why here is a atomic mass of this oxygen, it is a 16 given. Sodium 23 AMU, and again the magnesium, it has a atomic mass is a 24 AMU. Aluminium has a 27 AMU. Sulfur has a 32 AMU. Okay, chlorine has a 35.5 AMU, and calcium has a 40 AMU. Likewise, the list is given. So we have learned up to this, we have learned 2 laws. Which one these are? Law of conservation of mass पढ़ा है हमने. ओके, सेकेंड वन लॉ ऑफ कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शंस पढ़ा है, एंड थर्ड इज द डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी पढ़ी है. ओके, डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी पढ़ी है, एंड ऑल्सो द सिम्बल्स ऑफ द सम एटम्स, सिम्बल्स पढ़े हैं, एंड द मासेस ऑफ द एटम. ओके, नाउ इन नेक्स्ट क्लास we will discussing about the molecules. Okay, and how do the atom exist. Up to this we have to stop here.